This is the first of our super sneaky methods, and it's involving using a sum that they actually give you as part of the answer. You quite often see these where they give you a sum and they tell you what the answer is. Initially you think, what? Why have they given me the answer to that sum? And you're tempted to just ignore it, but there is a link between the sum they give you and the one they're asking you. This one, for example, 96 times 240 is 23,040. Then you're asked the question, what is 480 times 96? Now, you need to see the connection. We have a 96 here and a 96 here, but our 240 has doubled in size to 480. So, if you double one of the numbers in the multiplying sum, you have to double the answer. So instead of doing this really complicated sum, all you have to do is take the answer 23,040 and double it. So your answer would be 46,080. It's as simple as that, a really sneaky trick. Let's try this one, slightly different. You are told that 275 times 36 is 9,900. You have to calculate what's 18 times 275. Okay, this number has stayed the same, but this one here, what's happened to it? It's halved. So what you have to do is take the answer, 9,900, and you need to halve it. You can do that simply with a bus stop. 2s into 9 goes 4 remainder 1. 2s into 19 goes 9 remainder 1. And 2s into 10 goes 5. 2s into 0 goes 0. So the answer to this sum would be 4,950. Easy. You don't have a whopping great multiplication sum to do. Okay, try this one. 650 times 37 is 24,050. You have to calculate 37 times 325. This number has stayed the same. This number has halved. So again, we'll halve the answer. I don't think we need a bus stop here. It's such a simple one. So you would get 12,000 being half of 24,000, and half of 50 would be 25. One more that we can work out. 24 times 350 is 8,400. We have to do 350 times 48. This number is the same. 24 has become 48, so it's one of the doubling ones. So we need to do 8,400 times 2 to give the answer 16,800. So easy. Now this one here is not on the help sheet, but I wonder if you can spot what's happening. 36 times 257 is 9,252. Our 257 comes from here, but what's happened to our 36? We've timesed it by 10. So all we have to do is find the answer to the original sum and times it by 10. We will get 92,520. I think you'll agree that is far easier than having to do a whopping great long multiplication for this answer here. So, super sneaky, but boy oh boy does it work. Remember, if they give you a sum and they tell you the answer to the sum at the beginning of a question, they want you to use it.